The Army's 10th Infantry Division says it is ready for the coming May 13 midterm elections. It is also seeking the help of the people in ensuring a peaceful and orderly political exercise. Vicky de Guzman reports.
Division Chief Major General Ariel Bernardo urged the people to give their full cooperation in the preparation for the coming elections. He added that the people should never jeopardize the chance in attaining peaceful elections. He called for the responsible citizens to coordinate with them in aiming to achieve this.
Of course, meron tayong ang COMELEC, meron naman siyang kinumisyon na mga di ba, watchdogs, just like PPCRB, di ba? So, yun yung mga dapat na makapag-closely coordinate with our security forces. Kasi ako yung experience ko sa 2010 when I was the Task Force HOPE doon sa 6ID sa Central Mindanao. Naging effective kami doon when we were with the CSOs, mga watchdogs, even international na mga observers.
Bernardo also added that they will deploy more manpower to the identified hotspot areas.
Sabi ko nga nung nag-briefing sa Friday, mukhang kulang yan. Sabi ko dagdagan pa natin kasi in some areas, sabi ko bakit 200 plus lang ang may kukumit ng sundalo. So we need, sabi ko, idagdag natin, dagdagan pa natin ng gusto yung and then I also asked the COMELEC to devise some more mga innovations as far as how the BI and the COMELEC na point person doon will be able to tap the services ng nakasecure.
Meanwhile, he said that they are already set for the coming elections in May. For People's Television, Vicky de Guzman.